yet.
Jamaica, this is the real thing again. This is Randy coming to you again.
Plant.
Now me introduce you to Patrick, the farmer man.
Yeah?
We take care of the family. So now we are going to the bush.
One step at a time.
Yeah, now we are going to the bush now. Go show you the real farm.
Right?
Now where you have at the farm?
Alright. Right now, sweet potato, yam, banana, cane, pumpkin, you name it. Cook everything you can think of. Yeah. Something is already. Right now, you can get food same way coming out of food. You can get white yam as you're talking. Nigga yam.
What you say to me?
Yeah, man, because they make head and swell back head now for plan back so you can
You
get
can
yam
get
foot.
some things from my friend.
Yes.
You have tangerine and orange?
No, them they not start ripe yet.
Mango?
No.
What fruits you have?
Fruits. Fruits run off, you know. I'm going to have some passion. Passion fruits, you know.
Yeah.
We make juice. Banana. The fruits them kind of run out, you know. We have green corn. Yo. Yeah, man. That's all them things there they go.
So this is Randy on the move again. Right now, the killer killed me. Tired. Dog, watch yourself. Watch yourself, dog. Watch yourself.
Come.
So Randy tired over the hill.
Yeah.
This journey has been a long journey.
Yeah.
Patrick, look at. You see how me tired?
Yes.
I am not tired.
No? That's what we do like 4 or 5 times a day. Go and come. Then I go market. And if you carry 100 pounds come out. Oh God, man.
Oh God.
Sometimes I can't move. Tell you how it out.
So you bring the crackers back for your head and
Yes.
Lord.
If you see I bring all the crocus back for our head. A wicked something, man. Because we don't have a donkey right now.
Yeah.
You have to carry on with head.
Yeah.
Oh gosh.
So them have ticks around here, sir?
No, me no keep them something there.
No ticks, no cow.
No ticks. No ticks no man that side. No ticks you can't think of. You can't come away and naked. Yeah man.
Wait the Jamaica right now. I'm stood in my slippers.
Just see no ticks.
Wait the Jamaica. I'm stood in my slippers.
Yeah, take care of the guys and
Yeah. Wait for me Jamaica. Just hold on. A long time I don't go bush. Alright, stone gone. Wait the Jamaica. Let me tighten up my slippers.
Yeah, nah.
We don't have to see everything in her. It's real life.
I'm a real life man.
A real life thing in Jamaica.
I did my life I keep the country and
Yes, sir.
The farmer them, you know.
Yeah, farmer family.
The farmer them. You see? Cause I never know I will grow to come be a farmer.
Mm-hmm.
I mean love it more than anything else.
Mm-hmm.
But when me check it out, me I say,
You say you love the farming more than you love woman?
more than a woman.
What you say to me?
Then the woman take away my money and gone about them business, left me alone.
Yeah.
But when me go on my farm, me hump me comfortable and me happy.
Mm-hmm.
Cause me can go search and find money for you.
Okay.
That no say. Me I put the farm in over woman same way.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
The farming give woman food.
Yes. Farming make woman happy. Oh.
Alright, so Randy I breathe hard again.
We are not afraid.
Up in the bush. Alright, hold on. Look on this.
Review.
Yeah. Yes, I.
I just say farming start.
Mm-hmm.
So we are back over. These are my peanuts. And melon me raise a wire tina.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah man. Me have a melon on my table right now.
Are you yam them?
Yeah, this is my farm. This is all fun. Peanuts in the jar. Don't be read, don't be say. yellow yam. Somebody special that come for that cane, you know.
What you said to me?
This ain't down here, so we can carry out.
What you said to me?
I want this.
What you said to me?
You come.
Yes, sir. Give thanks.
Yeah. My farm, this guy. You know the farm, nigga.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you know, how may I tell you, say? I didn't know, say, I come.
What you said to
No
me?
pear in the world better than these pear. There is no pear in the world better than this pear. And you can call me and tell me when you eat that and say, if you ever eat a pear like this, remember me say that. Alright, now go out of the hut with some water.
Yeah.
And then, as you can hear,
You pick them.
as you can hear them. Yeah, man. I will get my brother move, come back and live over here in a Moochie.
Yeah.
I never live over here. And me just give him that piece of place and give him the made them to plant for himself, you see?
Okay.
So me I show you, so me I deal with them. Now I see myself alone, I help them out too.
So you are the real herbalist. You did bring the thing them?
Oh, you mean, right now me I go build up before me feed them.
Yes, I go build a vibe, you know, Jamaica, you know.
That's something when me... And look pan soursop on them. 3 ear. 3 ear. Look pan soursop load, I load up on them. Eh? Look there. Very good. Alright, me there.
Are you with that?
Yeah.
100 US.
100 US you can give me. And me change it and get 12 grand. Or 11 grand and make a pick. And 7 grand me pay for one baby pick.
Yeah.
I know pedigree them. A high grade hog them.
Mm-hmm.
So I know raise pedigree hog.
Male and female.
Yes.
I'm gonna deal with the thing.
Yes. I know raise pedigree hog, you see me?
No pedigree out.
No. Everything high. And it's we have them team. We have them team like that, you know.
Yeah.
Alright, give me back to back now. I raise them from them a baby, man. From them a baby, me I raise them. Alright now, nobody can tell me about 20,000. I want to tell you, say, I mean alone build up a penny. You look funny good, and me build it with you.
You build the whole
And
thing.
you saw them did there, you know.
Are you lift all them rock here?
And me lift them and build them as big as you see them, and me lift them and build them, you know.
Where I said to me?
Big up woodland.
With no cement.
Nothing at all. So you have to create it.
Where I said to me?
You have to build the wall 2 sides, you have to pack it 2 sides and pull up the middle. And daddy never make it, you know. Come on, come here, come see me now. Because when you make this happen, you have hold it for them, but I'm alone.
You're the real thing. You're the...
Some can bush for them. It's pretty good.
Them organic.
Alright.
No chemical.
No chemical.
Real life.
Me no give them hog feed, you know. A chicken feed, me feed them pan. You see the chicken them bloat up 6 weeks, and chicken feed then get the deer feeding, so you know what it is.
You want to know, say, the cane prepare me, you know, I say, I want to go. Are the pumpkin that?
I want pumpkin this, you know.
Where is it to me?
You know eat pumpkin.
What you mean, man? Give thanks, me really appreciate this, you know.
Look fit, you
I
know.
really appreciate this, you know.
Look like you fit, you know.
I'm going to give peace to my sister.
This look fit, you know.
Yeah, man.
So we pick already.
Patrick, I really appreciate this.
Yeah, man, that look fit, man. Yeah, I look for you, myself.
Make we cut the... You know something?
You go struggle to carry out
Yes, the blows. The real man.
Don't plant you back, you know.
The real man. This are the real Jamaica people. Are the real.
Most money can't find one of them, you know.
Randy never let you down.
Most money.
Me never let you down, Jamaica. Look on this,
so.
this man. Lord. God has blessed us, Patrick. God has blessed us. Make we come go get some more food, yeah, sir. Boy.
This yam named Lucy yam. It's a nigger yam cousin. It's a more softer yam than the nigger yam.
Lucy yam, nigger yam cousin.
Yeah, man, it's a Lucy.
We'll put you up in our little room.
Anything you want. Any food you want to eat. Anywhere you want to go once we have a ride. We just when you learn something about these type of yam, you know. These yam dig already, you know. Right?
Yeah.
At the head. At the head, me I go look yam off food off now. Remember, me these yam dig already, yeah?
Yeah.
But here with these yam now, when time you dig them, when you sell back at them beer more than what yam them beer.
Them split.
Yeah. But these type of yam, man, everybody can hang with them yam, yeah. Because them have maca.
Where you someone?
No man, this a baby head. That's a baby head.
But them delicious.
This a baby head, so I just cut one half of this. And make it tail like that to dry. You want a big yam. Mama eat no food. But we look different yam now. Look different yam. Cocoa.
Cocoa. Yes, sir.
They are cocoa. Cocoa.
Yeah, man. Cocoa leaf. The real thing. Look at the beautiful sorrel, sir. Lord. Look at the beautiful sorrel. Jamaica, me nah left for no. Look at the beautiful sorrel. Eh? You have a coffee there, so. Wait there. Oh, what you call that one there now?
Gross Michelle.
Gross Michelle. Gross Michelle banana. See me? Jamaica, Jamaica. Give thanks and praises. The islands of wood and water. Papa tree just dead down like that.
Yeah.
You go plant them back?
This papa no eat good, so I just stop.
Fertilizer and
It drop out.
Jamaica, yeah. People.
This is a Lakatan.
Lakatan.
The robusta, this young feet now.
Yeah, we used to cut them with callaloo in the morning with saltfish, you know.
Yeah.
Now watch the face, you know. That no young Tom St. Mary, you know. That ready, you know.
Not ready to eat.
Yeah. Liver.
Just go look up in the passion tree. It's on the dirt, passion.
Passion fruit on the ground. Jamaica. Bless. Jamaica, watch there. We buy them thing at supermarket. Me just buy a bungalow of them thing and spend money on market, you know.
Yeah.
I tell you, Jaja.
I wonder how much you buy them. A $50 dozen man them give me. You know.
Yeah. Me is a man, I pick a country around the come from, watch how me do it.
You're good, man, you're not good. So I'll see everything. Yeah,
Jamaica.
Real
Jamaica. Support the movement. This is the real Jamaica, land of the kings and the queens.
Yeah, man.
And this is why it is land of the kings and the queens. Because you say the food where we have,
Nobody else not have it.
the love. But wait, I June plum this? Mango.
They were me.
Passion fruit from the earth, Jamaica.
Nice, man.
Right? People all over the world, this is the experience of a lifetime. Yes, sir.
Sweet yam. And the name sweet yam. Sweet yam. You know, get better than this. You have some yam, tar yam. No tar yam. Sweet yam, mozzarella yam.
Patrick, I really appreciate the experience. I want you to know that. I'm one of the people out the road who really appreciate the experience when I bring them on.
Yeah, man, because I want to tell you, I want a lifetime thing, you know.
Yes, sir.
The born come see my mother and father do farming. And my father dead gone. And me kind of stick to my mother mostly. Yeah. And, but, what me tell you,
Yes, sir.
you wouldn't believe. 2010 me come back here, you know. 2010.
5 years you plant up all of this?
2011 me get the land. And mama was still coming to bush.
Yes, sir.
And 2011 me control the whole of the land.
Yes, sir.
And you want to circle it and look. 2011 me start planting soursop tree there and look for soursop here now. Every banana she plant, me replant them. Me plant one more side of it. So she have 100 or 200 over here now. Yes, so me deal with it. 2011 me get the whole place and start. Work it up like seriously.
Where is the Rasta, man? I'm going to bring back some good draft here. Cherry too.
Yeah, man, mister. Last month load.
But what is your vessel, man? Are these orange you have? Yeah, this you look like say you want me to stay here longer, Virgin.
The real thing you call it bubble lemon.
You look like you want me to stay the whole. Yeah, my God.
I see you in a peanut. Peanut can't start jar.
Alright, where's it now?
All of my young ground. Straight my young ground. See them there? My young ground.
You planted all of these?
Yeah, alone. Alone. You see over the hill there?
Yes, sir.
You have one here call over there work. Pumpkin off where I be here now. You have a piece of sweet potato.
So you need a van.
Go far me go. Yeah.
You need a van.
Yes, we
You need a van. You need a van.
Me go market like wholesale market.
Yes, sir.
On Friday. But I need a van to carry me thing to market to see them and sell.
Yes, sir.
A year time now me do shipment, the yellow year me do shipment.
So them can't pick?
Right away. Oh, we are
pick some of them.
juicy them, you know.
Them
Make lemon juice.
Yeah, man.
Oh, we are said to me.
Lord,
Ripe one,
Lord,
brown one, green one, young one.
Lord.
Everything there funny.
It's heaven and earth right there. So me not even bring no bag.
Everything there
Boy, may have to come back. May have to stay.
We find back we carry them out.
Boy, and them juice I me love. Boy, and them ya kind of drinks me come a Jamaica for. Let the preacher say, squeeze
right
out.
Through the ear this I have. Right through the ear this I have.
Oh, boy, me telling you. Me telling you, people.
It's a
Me say me love it. Me not even have pocket we put it. But me say, Jamaica, look where Randy bring you now. Because when me bring you now and the view when me show you now, nobody in the world. That is why this is the land of the kings and the queens. That's why I do that film here. You see this? Look there. You understand why this is the land of the kings and the queens? God bless us. There is no such thing as poverty. We are blessed.
What are these?
These are cho-cho.
Oh, you know.
For the soup. And then you cut it up.
For the meat.
Get a little turnip. You throw some pumpkin in it. Whoa, you get some dasheen on that. Some chicken back. And that soup with some Maggi chicken noodle. Yes, you drop a scotch pan it right on the side and make it bubble. The scotch bonnet a trouble if you make it bubble. Yes, you're ripe one. Me hand them full. Look at Jamaica. Look at Jamaica. Una not even didn't make me. Una shall just. Una not even bring a bag for me. But you come back. Hey, so the doctor bird, eh? This is our doctor bird. And you catch the tree this?
One more,
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Where you say now? Where you say now?
Blossom there again.
Blossom on the cashew tree again.
Start beer again.
Yes, sir. We're blessed. We're blessed. We're blessed. We're blessed. And the pear upon the tree and things. Plantains.
So you have to plant the corn when you have the hog. You have to plant corn. Set up, that's it.
Yes, sir.
That's it, then you don't start beer yet. Get from out of the dirt. You make me is a jack of all trades. Me can dig it, excavation, me can set the steel them, mix the mortar, build the block, set the block, rough cast, everything. Carpenter work, everything me can do it. Mason carpenter me can do it. Yeah, me good for that. So me do it already, so me know me can do it. Yeah, man. Can build it, man. I'm trying with people all over the earth, over the world.
Yes, sir.
Say I left something with me. Toward me pig rearing. And he left for 100 years.
Yeah.
If he left for 1,000 years, would have almost 20 hog. Can me decide say. If me tell you say, I go chop down that page here. No feel no way no. I go chop it down. So me stay. Anything here me say I go do it. Alright. So if you hear me say I want help me leave help. And if you tell me, say, you want that tree if you move, and go one time you have to tell me, don't tell you don't have to tell me 2 times. Just tell me what you want to be put, yeah? That's what me say. You don't have to tell me 2 times. 1 time is enough.
The way you say.
So me stay.
Yes, correct them because the sister not come.
Real thing, you know, I'm telling you.
Yes.
1 time you have to tell me. Yeah. And you never do it better than how me do it. Can me put me all in it. You never do it better than me. You see me have. You have all them in my yard, you know.
Please.
You have them in my yard. Let me show you some. I'll show you them this morning. You have the red peas them here. You have the red peas in my yard. You see them here. Right now me have to make about 5 quarts to go trash out.
Yeah.
Real red peas. Alright, it's on a bag. So me I carry the bucket then.
Alright, sir.
I carry it in the bucket. Everything must can hold in the bucket. What we are left now?
We want some soursop leaf.
soursop leaf, you know, say me want a good thing you talk, you know. Because you know, say my teeth are with me from with them, I say, a soursop leaf me feel drinking up in the nerves, you know. A good thing you talk. Soursop leaf in my nerves.
Yeah, man.
See them a blossom hard, you know.
A load of them want to bring up.
Eh?
Yeah, man.
Oh, you know.
Hey, me do have nervous problem, you know.
You go want them now?
Well, you come back later.
Alright.
Because I think...
This one something. It's a yellow yam.
Fever grass. The real thing, because I want you to look strong.
And the first year I come here and I know say myself on bees eyes. Just one bees eyes. My brother can help me catch him, put him in a box. And we keep the bees and raise the bees and yeah. And you draw the honey man you get about 30 quarts.
Yes.
Yes. Goes on. No, you see, in life, you know, you have to struggle until you buck up on the right somebody. Where you want to buck up on, you know. To satisfy in your life, you know. Yeah. Sometimes you want to make a move and it come like the right foot I tell you, say, no move. No move. That move, they're not good, you know. Yeah, man. You can't tell anybody, man. Alright. More lemon. We are going to feed the bucket now. We put them in. You got no bag over here, so.
What can I use a crate here?
I'll use the bag, you know. We get the machine now. Let me dash the machine.
Right there, sir. God bless we, man. God bless we. God bless we. That's why I have to give thanks to the Almighty creation, you know. Because it's the Almighty creation where it do preserve it. Where it bring from my father. Mint. You want to know something? I really appreciate this car. You know when them bring to the kings in the days?
Yes.
Them never bring money, you know.
Yo, and then smell sweet. Some smell sweet.
Let me say something, Jamaica. Jamaica. World. World. Lord God. This is it. Natural fragrance. You bring me the fine leaf mint. Yeah. Jamaica. Jamaica. You know, see Randy right now?
You have the black mint too.
You have the black mint too? Wait there. Lord God, Jamaica. Look what I'm going to bring back for my mother. Whoa. 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 I got just 2 pieces of this right now to my health and strength. Yes. Now just I go clean up my teeth. And the fire is made me ever taste. It just flood up the mouth. Kill bad breath and everything.
Never taste it, you know.
You have to eat it, man.
Never eat that mint.
Yeah, man. The purpose of mint is for the minty breath. Where you think they make out the bubble gum water? You see me? So anytime before you leave the house for an interview, You just chew up your mint. And when you open up your mouth, the people say that you are naturally fresh.
Get you.
See me, give me this. Buy a piece of this too. Stem on everything. At the stem of the pipe, the stem.
Yeah, not the leaf, the stem.
The stem of the real concentrated energy night. Yeah. And when you eat the mint, it fixes your gum. Okay? I eat you for use. You can even sleep with it. It fight the bacteria.
Mighty God.
You see what I say? You eat the mint and sleep with it.
I'm here to learn, you know, man.
You see me?
I never know it all.
You sleep after. Yes. Why you think the toothpaste tastes like how it tastes?
The mint, and so some shit mixed up with it.
Exactly. So where you do? No, people don't know. You eat the mint and you sleep. So wait, the mint are gonna develop bacteria? No, the mint are gonna ferment and fight anything when unnatural.
Yeah.
You see me? See, by the time you wake up, you're going them strong and fat.
Okay.
Eat it and wake up back. Nothing bacteria in your mouth. You kill everything. This was a journey.
Yeah, man. Yes,
and with this journey, what we're going to do after this journey is now going to cook later.
Right now, we're going to go to visit and make it go and shower.
Yeah.
The earlier later.
Remember that? Land of the kings and the queens. See the king there? See the king there? What does the king own? See what the king own there? So if the king ever invite you to his home, you will be one with nature. You will be one with the Almighty Creator. See the Almighty Creator there? Right there, sir. Right there, sir.
Earth is the Lord, man.
Right there, sir.
We are the fullness, you know.
The earth is the Lord.
Yeah, we have to make it full.
And you have to make it full.
Yeah, and the fullness thereof. We know we have to be good. And make it flourish. A good always have to last, you know.
Yes.
If you not do good, you know, it will go end one day, you know. And in a wrong way, but if you do good, God knows. There's an ain't a stone in the area yam a beer. She brought me plant yam in a stone. And come beer yam.
Oh, God. What is now? Where you get now? Peanut.
Peanut again, man.
And you plant everything?
Yeah, man, a peanut.
So what time you wake up in the morning?
Yeah. Yeah, me take conquer them now. I don't work with nobody else. I don't work no day out, I don't work with people. If I don't have nothing, I suffer out myself. Work for myself. I just work for myself, so I have enough time to do everything. Come and work at 8 o'clock in the morning and 12 o'clock I go back home, so I work. Because I have to make sure Mama alright. Yeah. So I mean this. I don't work all day. I mean I tell you I'm a whole heap of farm over. It's like me did born to do this, you know?
Yeah.
I don't do no work when I'm comfortable like this, so I have to do this. I'm my own boss.
Yes, sir.
That man. Peanut same way, my peanut same way, I'm show you. Yeah.
Peanut.
Yeah, man. Soon ready for job. Work hard, man. The parents and they work hard. Man. Very hard.
Me can bring it, you know. I'm not cut it, you know.
Nah, cut it. How you bring it? Yeah man, my farm go right back down someone. My farm come right back down so my farm is plant everything, you know.
Yeah.
That means that when we out of one we have something else.
Yes, sir.
So we work. So we plant banana and plant and everything. Just plant up the place. These are long-term crops.
Yes.
This is a wide ground. That's what the farm said. My farm go right back down so. See, that's how my farm go right back down so. My brother over so. So you can see the difference. So me a different farmer than them. Take care of my farm. And that's how me take care of my things and my animals and everything. But everybody around it, so me take care of them. So I left everything in a God man and left everything to you, you know. And to the good time. Master, you know?
Yeah. We take a picture. All right. So this is Randy and Patrick.
Yeah.
We bring you on the journey.
Yeah.
Get the real mint, you get the real love, you get the real island.
Real high grade.
Lands, the real high grade. Lands of the kings and the queens. Water and wood, wood and water. That's why we say we do the film, because we want to show you real life.
Rasta.
And the cleansing.
But I watch the face of the ugly boy, you know. And the heart you have to watch. Trust me. The heart clean. Very clean.
Clean heart.
Yeah man. Now one love. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
One heart,
Respect,
one
respect.
love, one aim,
End
one
of the
destiny,
film.
One desire. Bless up.
Why heal the world?
Bless up.
So come for the healing.
Yeah.
Respect.
Enough people need healing. I feel like, oh gosh. Jabba. Jabba. Yeah.
Too far. Man.
Too far now.
And they look nice, huh?
Nothing too far, man.
They look healthy. Yeah, man, I like that. So now, yes. So just say greetings to the family abroad. We want you to come to our farm and get to know us. Say that.
Greetings to the family overseas. We want you to come and visit us here so you can know what it's like out here.
Okay. That's it, Jamaica. Show me the chicken. We're going to take it to the world, Patrick. We're going to raise the money, man. We're going to take it to the world.
6-week chicken.
Organic chicken.
Organic, yes, I will raise them. At 6 weeks, then, man. 6-week chicken, I will 5.
Well, you have to put 2 vita out, you know, because...
No problem if you want to.
We're going to do some fried chicken today.
Oh, God.
Lord God, man. Auntie Lena, we get the best chicken in the world. My Lord, make me bring the chicken out the door. Dog, watch yourself. Watch it. Where the dog is there? Dog, watch out. Nobody come over here, so.
Alright, I did blind mama. Me and mama pick them. So, thank you.
Lord, man. Organic, right? Alright, Patrick, we're going to run a boat. We're going to run a boat.
You have one pig rounds up to, you know.
Yeah.
She have one pig rounds up and she with the buyer.
Alright, so we're going to raise the money to get the bigger freezer.
Something like this.
And get the van for you.
Just take your time, yeah? Take time to talk. Yeah.
Take your time, talk. Alright.
Maybe see this, okay. Me, if me get help, me I got help the rest of family.
Yes, sir.
I saw me like, yeah. Me feel say, if me get help the rest of family, you better.
Yes.
Cause me not go happy for myself alone. No. Me I try to help everybody else. Who want help. So I mean that.
Alright, we deal with it. So we're gonna fry some chicken. Randy come back home, tie them up, me now left till we have some.
Alright, me put in some water.
Some water. So now what we are going to eat with it?
You go buy bread, man.
And alright.
Or how you want food?
You have yam and banana and them things, eh?
Every time.
Well, deal with it like correctly with the oil and
Yam and
everything
banana,
and the
alright.
avocado and
And dumpling.
I might call my friend to come through. Good.
You can call and say, yeah.
Tell me about the chicken. Why you put it on? Tell me about the chicken.
Alright. So we put in me salt, a little salt, and we have a little all-purpose with mixed with barbecue seasoning in. And we have a little red seasoning that's near to French fried chicken.
Yeah.
Then I then put a crush an egg in it.
Why you crush the egg in there?
Yeah, because the egg keep it together when in French fry. When you French fry.
I see.
And a little piece of scale and a little piece of thyme and a little piece of ginger.
And you grow the chicken, so you know that chicken
Yeah,
from the
me
chicken
grow
are
the
young.
From the chicken, one day old me have him a grow. Yeah. Because basically when we go for chicken is 1 day after the full moon.
Yeah.
And the chicken at the full moon I'm going to feed him 1 day after the full moon. We keep him 6 weeks straight. So we know the chicken is real. And very clean, no bacteria. Alright. As some cookers say, it's all in the taste, you know? Yeah. Alright, the taste is in the pudding. You see, when you think about potato pudding, potato pudding feel, you know, I'm coming up and frying. You want me bake potato pudding and send a frying all the while, man.
Yeah?
Potato pudding, man. Okay, guess my potato pudding mixed now with all type of food. Like one plantain. I'm buy like 2 pounds of flour. And you have egg and all of the liquid ingredients there. Yeah, man. It's all good, man.
The life.
Have a knife, yeah.
To the world. You missing now, people. You see that chicken there, right? Just so it's organic. Now, Patrick, tell me about the gravy from the pumpkin. I first never see this. Tell me how you make here the yam. You see all the yam. This is the thing we were out in the field looking for. This is organic chicken. See my mama there and see the chef there. Patrick, to the world. Tell me how the pumpkin gravy. Oh,
You cook the pumpkin and crush it. Irish and cho-cho and all the seasoning cook down. And you crush that ginger in it. Yes, man.
So
and cook it down proper with your butter and your cock soup. And make a nice sauce with a little spoon of flour mixed up in the water. And make a sauce.
Boy.
Yeah.
See the people, see them.
People,
People, let me tell you something, people. If you want people, me tell you about the hotel we are going to build now.
Look on the camera. Look on the food on the camera. Look better on the camera.
Yeah, people. This food is fresh. The chicken we grow it. Mama over there, so. Are the realest Jamaican people in the world. Look at mama. Mama eat the banana straight. People all over the world, this is it. I'm going to sign off now. I know say I don't want to know it taste, but I can't explain it. I cannot explain how this thing tastes. It is marvelous. Say something wrong, you don't know, say I can't deal with that.
One of the real pear this too, you know.
And one of the one from the field.
Yeah, man, one of the real one when I give you pick up this morning.
You know, sometimes I say there is a God, there is a God. This is proof that there is a God. Mama, take time with the boy.
When I say, when I cook, she enjoy. When I cook, man,
give me another one, Patrick. Give me another one. You know, easy with pear, you know. Pear afraid of me.
Yes, we are cooking for your taste.
Let me tell you something. I've never eaten like this in a long time.
Well, for me, see, you drink one lemonade and come back again. No, say lemonade.
Jamaicans are people over the world.
Always start out the lemonade proper for the people there.
Yeah. This pear is that butter pear right there. I feel it. I feel it. As pure as it could possibly be.
Yeah.
And Lena take the banana and
Time I go down. That one also she guys later on she can't eat nothing we cook. You know. So she have to eat what she can't eat now.
okay.
Cause later on she can't eat nothing we cook. And next day again. I said, then I hold him head up, bro. You can't believe it come like them puff. I swell up, man. Swell. And the thing, lever. You see salt in the meat, sir? Restaurant me there. Kind of restaurant. Salt in the meat, just liver.
Yeah. This was right. This lemonade was amazing, Star.
Real?
Can I get another cup?
Oh, you know what?
You know, in New York, it's been a long journey for me to bring you the culture. And hopefully this work will touch you and it will continue to plant in your herbs and heal yourself with the herbs. That's why I did this movement. My family is a farming family. That's why my born and grow St. Mary, Portland, Manchester, St. Catherine, Linstead, All School, me go. Some more you know, some you know Jamaica. Clarendon, Buff Bay, Primary. You see me? Charlemont Housing Scheme. Manchester now, my born and grow. So we used to see this every morning. This is something we're used to. Me used to this. I'm not new to this. Because I know the culture, I love the culture, I love the land. That's why I preserve it. May it last with you for a lifetime. I'm going to go to the mountains tomorrow and light my fire. It's an honor to bring this program to you. This is us. This is the lands of the king and the queens. God bless us and God bless you.